Hello. In this video, we're going to go ahead and rewrite the following equations in function notation. Then find f of negative 2, f of 0, f of negative x, and f of x minus 1. Excellent. The first thing we want to do is rewrite in function notation. So to do that, we have the equation 3x plus y equals 4. We always want to get the y by itself, which in this case means subtract 3x from both sides. So that's going to give me y equals negative 3x plus 4. And notice that once the y is completely by itself, all you need to do is replace the y with f of x. So f of x equals negative 3x plus 4. And there you go. That is our function notation. The next thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and find f of negative 2. So that means that I'm going to write down f of negative 2 and then replace all x's with negative 2. So this is going to give me negative 3 times negative 2 plus 4. And then just simplify the right-hand side. The right-hand side becomes 6 plus 4, which is, of course, 10. So f of negative 2 is equal to 10. Awesome. Next, let's look at f of 0. F of 0 means go back to the original function, replace all x's with 0. So that gives me negative 3 times 0 plus 4. And simplify. Negative 3 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. So f of 0 equals 4. Awesome. Next, let's look at f of negative x. So that means that for f of negative x, the x in the original function gets replaced with negative x. So this becomes negative 3 times negative x plus 4. And then just simplify. Negative 3 times negative x is positive 3x, and 3x plus 4 is at the end. And notice again, this is just a polynomial. That's perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with that. So f of negative x equals 3x plus 4. Awesome. Now for the last one, f of x minus 1. So looking at f of x minus 1, I'm going to replace the x in the original with x minus 1. So this gives me negative 3 times x minus 1 plus 4. And then just simplify the right-hand side. Be sure to distribute the negative 3. So this gives me negative 3x plus 3 plus 4. A lot of people are going to forget to make this a positive 3. Be careful. Negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3, not negative. Then just combine like terms. That gives me negative 3x plus 7. So f of x minus 1 is equal to negative 3x plus 7. Awesome. Well, I believe that's it for this particular video. I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun.